some AI implementation failing, you're probably making one of these three critical mistakes and losing time and revenue. What's the difference between a tool-dependent system and a principle-dependent one? Knowing that is the only thing that protects you from wasting months. Before I show you the three mistakes, you need to understand what tool chain death is. Because without understanding the pattern, everything else fails, and you'll be back chasing the next shiny piece of vaporware. You're bombarded. New AI tools every day. YouTube gurus shouting about the next game changer. You jump in, spend hours learning it, building with it, then bam, obsolete, replaced. Or even worse, it gets nerfed by the company selling it, and you become a victim of their business decisions. You now know what the treadmill feels like. This isn't a tool problem, it's a strategic disease. And here's the vital part no one wants to admit. These tools shouldn't be the core of your system. You're stuck in analysis paralysis, wasting time endlessly researching tools, fearing you'll pick the wrong one. Fear of missing out, FOMO, keeps you from focusing on what actually moves the needle. You're grinding but getting nowhere, while others quietly accelerate. Why? Because you're treating automation like a collection of individual tools, each with its own quirks, updates, and potential pitfalls. You get tricked into thinking that mastering each tool is the path to success. But that's a lie. The real problem is dependency. If these tools are disposable, then what elements are the ones that persist and drive the results? We're going to solve that. You now know why most AI projects die a slow, painful death. That's not a bug, that's a design flaw. But the part people really miss is this: the core framework that doesn't depend on any specific tool. That's what we're building next. The solution is to build a principle-based system, not a tool-based one. Start with the core business function, then map the processes needed to execute that function. Then choose the simplest AI tool that can automate that process. The tool is only a piece of the architecture, and if it breaks, you swap it out. The system remains. You want interchangeable pieces. Because here's the truth. The AI tools doing these tasks are all roughly the same. The best tool is whatever solves the immediate bottleneck with the fewest points of failure. Draw your system as a series of processes. Then, add AI tools as modules. When one fails, you identify it and replace it without rebuilding the whole thing. Optimize for simplicity. Complex systems are fragile. Find the simplest tool for the job. Upgrade only when necessary. Avoid features you won't use. Automate incrementally. Don't try to automate everything at once. Pick one core process and perfect that. Then expand one step at a time. Take 30 seconds. Close your eyes and picture your workflow. What's the biggest bottleneck? What's the one task, if automated, would unlock the biggest gains? Don't overthink it. We're going to solve that here. How can you use this adaptable framework to make money even when the next amazing AI tool gets launched next week? You now know the architecture that insulates your company from churn. That's not just theory. That's the system design that sets the operators apart from the victims. And here's the part nobody sees: how to make real money from this setup, no matter what tools get launched for years to come. Let's get into this payoff. Okay, so how do you make money when the tools are disposable? The answer is by selling the outcome and not the method. Focus on delivering results: leads, content, sales, whatever your business provides. Clients pay for the result, not the AI. Your job is to deliver that result efficiently, using whatever tools are best that month. Today, map out your core business process. Don't worry